welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my September update for my Partners in Cream Project Pan. This was a product that was created by Steph DaLin. Both of them will be linked down below, as well as the playlist of everyone else who's currently participating. There are so many people currently participating, so you will have plenty of content to binge watch, and I believe this is the second year that we've been doing this project. So if you even like revert to last year and last year's playlist, there'll be so much panning content to binge watch. You can also search, I'm in a rush, can you tell? You can search the hashtag Partners in Cream. I think it's just Partners in Cream on Instagram. All the information will be in my description box. How about we just go with that? The whole idea surrounding this project is that we focus on cream and liquid products. No powders allowed. Those are really the only rules. And I do have one product that I will be rolling out today, so if you're interested in seeing my progress, stay tuned. First, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel and you like project panning content, or you just like to chit chat about makeup, I would love if you'd consider subscribing before moving on. And other than that, let's jump into the video. Okay, I feel like I don't have the most exciting update, but I do have one product that will be rolling out, and I've used up at least a gram of most of the products that I'll be updating you guys on today. Let's start with the least exciting update. This dang lipstick has been in my project since the beginning. This is the Kaja Earhart in the shade Sweetheart. And when I rolled this in, it was pretty close to brand new. This is where we are at. We are getting close to the end. I was definitely hoping to have this used up way earlier in the year, but this just is not my favorite product. It's really comfortable on the lips, but it does not have a good wear time at all. I've also played around with using it as a cream blush, but I'll be honest, I did not wear makeup all that often in the month of August, so I just did not get a ton of use out of this. There's a slight change when I show you guys my line markings, but in terms of weight, this weighed 13 grams last update, and it's still weighing 13 grams for this update. Next, let's move on to the product that I was hoping to roll out this update. This is my Nude Sticks Nudies All Over Face Dewy Color in the shade Sweet Peach Peony. This is just a little mini, and if I had put this update off just a little bit more, I maybe could have finished this off. This is where we are at with this. So not a ton of product left in this either. I used this a couple of times this last month. There'll be a slight line mark change on this as well. And this one did go from 7 grams last update to 6 grams this update. If I had worn makeup more and just worn this a couple more times, I feel like I definitely could have finished this off. I do actually really enjoy this. I don't know, I have so many cream blushes right now that I just do not need to be purchasing anymore, but I do love this shade for the spring summertime, so this is possible I would repurchase this next year in the full size, but I would love to move this out of my collection, obviously before the end of the year. A product that I'm also getting close on is my First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. When we rolled this into the project, we were obviously way up here, and I think we lost an air bubble the first update, so we moved down here, and we have been slowly making progress. I do feel really good about the jump that I had from last update to this update now, and I think I have 1 to 2 more months of use on this. I am working on a couple other primers in various projects, but I believe this is the only pore filling primer that I'm currently working on. And oftentimes, even when I go on with one of my other primers, I will just like fill in my pores. But like I said, I didn't wear makeup all that much throughout the month of August. I'm hoping to be better in the month of September. So it would be nice to be able to roll this out next update, but I could also see this taking 2 more months of progress to finish up. This did weigh 28 grams this weighed 29 grams last update and is currently weighing 28 grams today. Another not so exciting update, my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Ruby Milk. I was not good at reaching for this, and I'm a little bit bummed because this definitely was a good shade for the month of August, and now we're reaching September, and I don't feel like this is a great shade for this month. But I am hoping, I have a little helper here, I am hoping to get a little bit more progress on this. I feel like this might take me 2 to 3 more months to finish up, so this could take us to the end of the year. Next up, I'll be excited to see like my photo progress on my Tarte Sea Breezy bronzer. I am still hopeful I will finish this by the end of the year, although I still feel like I just have so much left in this. Even though it doesn't necessarily look like it, I don't know, every time I use it, I feel like I don't see that much of a change, but maybe when I look at the pictures, I'll be more encouraged. So this weighed 22 grams last update, and it is currently weighing 21 grams. I obviously have a huge pan in here, and I'm just hoping to finish this one by the finale. And then the product that we're gonna be rolling out is this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Prickly Pear. I've just been rotating through all of my ColourPop Super Shocks in the hope that I'll hit pan on them. And then I can kind of circle back to everything. So this is what Prickly Pear is looking like, and this weighed 15 grams last update and is currently weighing 14 grams today. So I'm excited about that, and the Super Shock that I will be rolling in to replace that one is a brand new one to my collection. This is from the ColourPop Tinkerbell collection, and it's in the shade Fly to Your Heart. This is what this looks like. I've only swatched this, have not put it on my eyes, but it does look really, really beautiful. This is what that one looks like swatched. It's just a really beautiful pink sparkly shade, and I feel like I can get a lot of use out of this in the winter time for sure, but I feel like I can incorporate into some of my fall looks. And this is also just a really easy one and done shade, and something that I could easily wear to work. Even if I'm not doing like a full face of makeup but just want something on my eyes, I could definitely see myself reaching for this. So that is gonna wrap it up for today's update. Super short and sweet. I would love to know if you guys have recently finished up any cream or liquid products. Are you participating in this project? I know I'm really excited to go catch up on everybody's videos. Hope that everyone is doing well. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch today's video and for supporting my channel as you guys always do. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.